Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Timmy Taylor Nails Blog. Timmy Taylor Nails Blog talks natural fingernails, aerial nails, manicure, pedicure, and buildings a nail business. Polished advance. If you are coming to a Timmy Taylor Nails Blog to find switches you are out of luck. What you will found a business lesson. Each featuring a different still photos of Timmy Taylor's herself. If you want to see the latest wavy colors of glittery stems, but you will learn how to complete with a discount saloons. Nailing it. Timmy Taylor nails is generous with discounts and giveaways. But there is so much self promotion to went through before you can figure out where these giveaway are. This blog service next but not the nail polish district polished advance. This Berland is a shiny blocks Berland with colors sparkly and celebratories. Visiting to the blocks is like reading a function